Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chiduto, your favorite and your real lawyer who is here to tell you the truth. If this is the first time of meeting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I post anything. Okay, so it has come to my notice that business owners run away from registering a limited liability company because they believe that there's a lot of tax burdens that come with registering a limited liability company. So I have come to let's analyze it to know if it's actually true or is it a fallacy. So come with me, let's do that. Let's do the analysis. Okay, before we go over to tax, let's talk about some of the little differences between the business name and the limited company. It's important to know that a business name is another name for it is a sole proprietorship, meaning that is a small business owned by one or two people, which does not have a separate legal entity, meaning that the business and the owners are one and the same. Anything that happens to the business automatically affects the owner, including tax. Now, the limited company liability has a distinct legal entity from its owners. Therefore, that means that it is different from the owners. Tax is being levied on the company's profits and not the owners themselves, not their personal accounts. So that's very important to note. Again, the business name dies with the owner. It does not enjoy perpetual succession, whereas limited companies enjoy perpetual succession. The business can survive the founder. So having said that, let's analyze whether a limited company pays more tax than the business name. Now, I have to make it clear to you that both business name and a limited company pay annual return to CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission. That one is a settled fact. Now, when it comes to tax, limited companies pay company income tax and other statutory compliance. In as much as limited companies pay company income tax, the rate in which they pay it depends on the turnover of the company. For instance, a company that has a turnover of 0 to 20 million pays zero company income tax. Now, for a company that has a turnover between 25 million to 100 million pays 20% company income tax, while 100 million and above pays 30% company income tax. Now, on the other hand, business name pay is subject to personal income tax, which can range from 24% of the income of the individual. Now, let me make it known to you that the tax on business name is on the personal income of the owners, because the owners and the business are the same entity. It's not separated. So when you look at it, business name of limited company that has a turnover of 25 million is paying 0% income tax, whereby a business name of the same capacity is paying personal income tax. We should also know that both business name and limited company is subject to VAT, so they both pay VAT, and most importantly, business name is subject to states and local government levies at the state level. Yeah, so if you ask me, does limited company pay more tax than a business name? I will tell you it's necessarily true that limited company pays more tax, because under the law, the limited company has an advantage that once is its turnover is from 0 to 25 million, they pay zero tax on company income tax. Now, if is a business owner that has such amount, they will be subjected to personal income tax. So it's not entirely true that limited company pays more tax than a business name. But finally, before it's advisable that before you incorporate any of these businesses, you should consult with your legal and financial professionals to put you through on the type of business, the type of company to incorporate that fits, that is in line with your business. Thank you. I'm expecting to see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe.